Good morning. It's Wednesday, October 15th, and here's everything you may have missed in business and finance yesterday. We're now on day 15 of the U.S. government shutdown, and political gridlock in Washington, as well as renewed global trade tensions, kept the markets choppy yesterday. By the close, it was a mixed session. The Dow Jones managed to claw its way higher, finishing up just under 0.5%. The S&P 500 slipped a modest 0.16%, and the Nasdaq fell almost 0.75% as tech shares cooled off following last week's rebound. Trade once again took center stage. China placed sanctions on 5 U.S. subsidiaries of a South Korean shipbuilder, escalating tensions that already included new tariffs on timber and wood products, plus tit-for-tat port fees on U.S. and Chinese cargo ships. The tariff drama is clearly far from over. In commodities, gold hit another all-time high, topping $4,200 an ounce. Silver pulled back after reaching its first record since 1980, while oil tumbled after the IEA said its record oversupply of crude is even bigger than expected. In crypto, a massive weekend liquidation of $19 billion in assets continued to weigh on sentiment. Bitcoin kept sliding, though reports say 2 traders managed to walk away with over $160 million in profits. Congratulations. On the policy front, Fed Chair Jerome Powell warned yesterday of softening labor markets, signaling that the Fed could soon pause its balance sheet runoff, also known as quantitative tightening. He also hinted that more rate cuts could be coming later this year. Treasury yields and the dollar both moved lower on those dovish comments. It was a big day for banks yesterday. As earnings came out, JP Morgan Chase reported a 12% profit increase thanks to record trading revenue of $8.9 billion. But rising credit losses, now at $3.4 billion, helped push the stock down nearly 2%. Wells Fargo impressed, profits were up 9% and shares were up over 7%. Goldman Sachs crushed estimates with profit up 37% and revenue up 20%. Yet shares did still dip, likely due in part to profit taking and partially because expectations ran even higher. BlackRock climbed 3% yesterday after assets under management hit a record $13.46 trillion. Banks are benefiting from a rebound in the stock market, deal making, and IPOs, but executives remain wary of tariff headlines and limited economic data amid the shutdown. Domino's Pizza delivered strong results yesterday, and they were up 3.9% after same-day store sales jumped 5.2%. Albertsons surged 13% after a 23% spike in digital sales, and Nova Minerals exploded more than 110% on reports that the Trump administration may take a stake in one of its subsidiaries. On the downside, Johnson & Johnson traded flat after announcing a spinoff of its orthopedics business. Robinhood slid 4% on reports that it may sell its prediction market unit, and crypto-linked names like Coinbase and MicroStrategy each dropped over 4%.